These techniques, if exercised every day, not just they will make you a disciplined man by creating new habits to you, but they will make you manifest many things towards your life very fast. Do not miss these 4 steps, 4 techniques that will bring you abundance into your life. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I just decided today to share with you an amazing technique that I did and that helped me every day. You know, Neville taught many techniques to make it easy for us. He didn't go deep into any particular technique to elaborate, but he wanted us to find one of his techniques and the right technique that suits us best. Because people are different to each other. Not the same technique will suit everyone. Not everyone will find himself with the same technique or will manifest with the same technique. I might find myself with a breathing technique. Someone might find himself with the revised technique. So everyone choose the best technique for themselves. Also, Neville didn't mention any particular time on how long to do the exercise in order to manifest it faster. And that's why I'm giving you one of the best techniques that helped me a lot to manifest some things into my life. It only takes 5 minutes, 5 gold minutes into having the dream of your life in your hands. So let's start. Here are the 5 steps elaborated each one. And the first step is relaxation. You know, just before going into meditation, first you need to prepare yourself. You need to make yourself ready for the process. You can't just go, oh, I'm gonna meditate now. You are tired and you are angry and stressed on something. No, it just doesn't work like that. First you need to find a quiet place and it needs to be comfortable to sit and lie down. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. Release any tension or stress. Clear all your thoughts and become present in the moment. You need to do this for 1 minute. And when you are ready, you go into the second step. So in this first step, all you need to do is relax, lie down, close your eyes, and make yourself ready to go into the second step. The second step is visualization. This step will also take 1 minute to do it. Now, in this step, you gotta challenge yourself. You gotta find for yourself the thing that you want to have into your life. Name the specific thing that you want to manifest. Close your eyes and visualize your desired outcome and imagine it as it has already happened, as it is already yours. See yourself experiencing and enjoying the outcome. Visualize the thing as vividly as possible. Use all your senses to make the visualization as real as possible. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your desire. And that's it for the second step. The third step is affirmation. Now, when we are at the affirmations, you need to find or state a positive affirmation related to your manifestation goal. For example, I'm now experiencing, and you name your desired thing immediately after I am now experiencing. Or, I am happy and grateful now that I have, and you name your desired thing. Or people are now loving my new, and you name your desired thing. Repeat this affirmation with conviction, believing that it is already true. This takes just 1 minute. And the fourth step is gratitude. What you need to do in this step is express gratitude for receiving your desire. Always be thankful for things that you want to have. Feel thankful for the manifestation, even though it hasn't physically happened yet. Feel the emotions of gratitude deeply. The key here is to genuinely feel grateful. So I'm gonna repeat one more time the 4 steps that you need to remember in this video. The first step was relaxation. Just relax, lie down or sit in a comfortable chair and close your eyes and make yourself ready for the second step. The second step was visualization. Visualization meaning that you need to find your desire. You need to find the thing that you want to visualize during this step. The third step is affirmation. You need to find the right affirmation that is related to your goal and repeat that over and over again. And the fourth step is gratitude. You feel thankful and grateful for things that you want to manifest, and you feel grateful that you have it already. After doing these 4 important steps, now you need to go into another 3 smaller steps. The first one is release. And you need to let go any attachment to the outcome. Let all you have done in secret, in visualization, let it go. Trust that your subconscious mind is working to bring your desire to you. Release any doubts or worries. Second step is confidence. Feel confident and certain that your desire is on its way. Trust in the process and your ability to manifest what you want. Feel confident that your desire may come tomorrow. There is no exact time on manifestation on when your desire is going to come. It may come tomorrow, it may come today, or after 1 month. You never know. After doing this, we're going into the third step. Open your eyes and return to the present moment with a positive and confident mindset, knowing that what you did into these 5 minutes is not a dream. It is already your reality. It is already your life. And then go your way. Continue your day where you left. Start doing what you have on plan to do. And do not take any moment thinking that your desire is not gonna come. Start doing what you have in plan to do, and do not take any moment to think that your desire is not gonna come because of this or because of that. When such thoughts come to you, just change it. Take immediately action and change it and bring back your desired state. Because you don't need to know why you can't have something, why you can't have your reality into your world. You can't doubt what you just felt as true. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and in this video I explained the 4 techniques that just take 5 minutes into your day to manifest what you want in life. Okay guys, if you made till the end and if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and comment below, and thanks for watching.